My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are associated with the website Serviceone.info. Serviceone.info. This is a pretty new website, judging by its name. However, there have been a lot of similar pages before, and they all try to force customers into mistakenly subscribe to their web push notifications. These pop-ups by Serviceone.info and other similar sites display pretty misleading information that tries to encourage people into clicking on the Allow button. Here it says that you need to click on Allow to confirm that you are not a robot, but doing that, of course, is a very serious mistake. Once the Allow button is clicked, you will first be forwarded to some other questionable content. And finally, you'll start receiving a lot of intrusive advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of your screen. So stay away from interacting with these pop-ups and do not click on Allow. If the Allow button was mistakenly clicked, you need to immediately implement some browser fixes. So how to fix your browser? Watch carefully while I explain how to do that. In Google Chrome, go to the menu, go to Settings. You'll find the Privacy and Security section. Click on it, choose Site Settings. Then in Permissions, choose Notifications. Go down to the bottom of the list that displays websites that are allowed to send notifications. So you'll find the long list of some websites. Some of these sites may be pretty decent and some are not. So remove those sites that are causing the troubles on your screen. And after you get rid of all these suspicious and dangerous pages, the problem should be entirely fixed. Even though I also recommend you to check your computer additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get the fresh version of it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software and then start scanning your computer with its help to make sure it is free of any other threats. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner Antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode. Even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threads with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.